Hello, my name is Wolfgang Schmidt. I'm product manager at EPT. Today I'm here together with Jan Lehmann, my colleague.
Hello there, thanks for having me.
Jan explained us features about the One27 connector family from EPT in one of his last videos. And I have a few questions for Jan, and let's see.
Sure, let's go.
Jan, you explained in your video that we have a very high range of different board-to-board distances which we can realize with that family. How does it work in real life, in real applications?
That's an interesting question. Let's take a look at my first slide. Just prepared a little bit. Within our One27 product group, there are two different profile heights for each the female and the male connector. This results in different PCB distances ranging from 8 to 13.8 millimeter. On top of that, our One27 connector systems offers a secure mating tolerance which allows us or the customer to individually adjust board-to-board distances within the given range.
Okay, very good, thank you. You talked about that we have a cable version, a ribbon cable version available for that connector system as well. And you told us that there are many different options how to assemble the connectors to the ribbon cable. How does that work in real life?
Let's take a look on the next slide. Our One27 product family features a anti-twist safeguard, and we have to respect this safeguard in cable assemblies as well. This results in different orientations of the IDC female connector, and on top of that we can choose whether the IDC female connector can be on top of the cable or facing downwards. This results in 8 different cable assembly styles.
Okay, thank you. So you answered the next question already. So we have 8 different types of cable assemblies, variations. How about the ribbon cable itself? Are there different ribbon cable versions available as well?
Yes, indeed. As a standard, we offer a PVC flat ribbon cable ranging from 12 to 80 pins. On top of that, for the pin counts 26 and 50, we can offer a high temperature cable right now, which just increases temperature ranges on the low and on the high end. Perfect.
Jan, one final question. What does make the difference between the One27 connector family and a standard pin and socket connector?
That's an interesting one. I would say the One27 product family is way more ruggedized, way more robust than a standard pin and socket connector system. Take a look at the insulator body, for example. This allows us to integrate an anti-twist safeguard to prevent mismating of the connectors, and this also allowed us to integrate insertion chamfers for better handling. On top of that, we can use board locks within the One27 product family to increase retention forces of the connector system. And last but not least, we put heavy work into our contact system, which results in a dual beam contact system for better contact security and connections on the smooth rolled surface for lower wear and tear. Not to forget about the cable version. This is something very unusual for standard pin and socket headers.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, Jan. This gave us some very good insights on the One27 connector family. If you have any further questions to us, feel free to contact us at any time. We always will be happy about a like on our social media channels, and hopefully see you at one of our next videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you soon.